So, round one of Champion Champions starts now. 3, 2, 1, fight! Project 1 go eats Fili-PA in its area. And that's champion versus champion, which will be amplified from that one. And that is all! Fili-PA almost discharges the Flipside drives in. Project 1 attempting the self-drive. And something just... Whoa! The incredible bait and switch, Project 1 through to the next round.
I thought I was going.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, fight. Okay, Mace Ability has the back. There is Greenie coming around the side, and Greenie, yeah, Mace Ability out. Very quick.
Okay. You ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, activate. Right, 2 four-wheel drive robots with lifting weapons. Step up. Bit of a signature robot there for Eli because of the high traction of the wheels. And Flipside's having trouble with his weapon and it gets pushed down the pit.
Three, 2, 1, activate. Alright, and he's going. That's the grand total of 8 seconds. 3, 2, 1, activate. So that was a touch, unfortunately.
Ready. 3, 2, 1, fight. Oh, Liftman gets it full. Oh, it's a very. Within 4 seconds, 360 round. 3, 2, 1, fight. Domino is an invertible robot versus the Flipper Project 1, which you can have 3 separate wedge lifts on the front of Domino, which are now right now above the Project 1. Project 1 is now under it and it's at the back. Oh, Project 1 now on its head. Domino now on its head. See the other side of the box. I'm getting a refund on that pizza. Oh, little bit of a driving error. And Domino through to the semi-finals. 2-2 Liftman.
3, 2, 1, activate. Push. I definitely can't leave it. It's taking from piggyback. No free ride to this. Right. Can he stay out on the side? I think we should go for the air mile for this fight. Off the wall, against the wall, you're over the hole. Can he get over the wall? Not this time. Good job. That's yourself right. Next time, get back over.
Three, 2, 1, fight. They come together, Domino is underneath. Trip has the grab, and Domino. Okay, Domino will have his third place fight.
3, 2, 1, activate. Got 2 pushing robots here. Get underneath the other one. Push down the pit. Domino's going to have a bit of a driving issue. They're right, so let's start helping them, but Kevin comes out the pit. Leave that time. Domino's been very, very good on traction on the floor. But pit. Still catching air miles. Slowly get somewhere far. 1 minute down, 1 minute to go. Playing a bit of cat and mouse right now. And it's over. And forward. You always got to fit. Good job, both these robots are adjustable. Oh, she's weird, that's safe. What's safe?
You said there is pressure. But anyway, with the trophy on the line. 3, 2, 1, fight! They come together. Shrimp deciding not to grab at the moment and drives forward, just about misses the hit. Oh, and it's in the jaws. They seem to be driving up into the jaws, daring Shrimp to do something. And now Shrimp with a grab. So Lift escapes. And now with a flip to the left. There's underneath, flipping across the arena. And underneath again, another flip. Oh, he drifts out. Where are you going to pop this?
Oh, on my shelf with the rest of them.
Oh, cool. There we go. It is yours. Now, okay. 3, 2, 1, fight! Can you present me with the silver trophy there?
Yeah, this is definitely
The gold one.
Here is a silver trophy.
Thank you. It's actually gold. Thank you. Okay. Right, that is Rock and Robots, the robot section. We're now going to have the open arena, and at 8 we're going to move on to music. So, yeah, go ask a Roboteer for a go on a robot. The arena will be open until then. Well done to all our champions, champions, and everyone who's done stuff. Yep, what's up?
Can I just say, can we give Eli a huge thank you for all he's done?
Okay, enjoy yourselves. We'll be back at 8 o'clock with some music. It's me, actually. Yeah.